What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today we're going to be going over the buttons, controls, and inputs for the HTS820. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the controls and inputs on the back of the subwoofer. Below the audio output section where we plug in our speakers, we have the DVD audio input section. We can use these to connect our DVD or Blu-ray player to the home theater setup. So in this section we have the SR and SL, which is surround left and surround right input. We also have an input for the center speaker and the subwoofer. And then we have the inputs for the front left and front right speaker. So on the back of your DVD or Blu-ray player, you're gonna look for an audio output section that has the same labels and connect them to the labels on the back of your home theater setup. So for example, you're gonna connect the center output on the back of your Blu-ray or DVD player into the center input on the back of the HTS820, and repeat this process for the other outputs of your Blu-ray or DVD player with the other inputs on the back of your sub. Next to that, we have the sound source input section where we can connect any optical, HDMI, SD, or USB. So if you're looking to connect your TV or gaming system to the HTS820, you can use either the HDMI or optical input, and just make sure you have the matching outputs on either your TV or gaming setup. Next to that, we have the music playback section where if we're listening to music, we can pause or play our tracks, skip forward to the next track, or go back to a previous track. And below that, we have a switch to set our system either to 5.1 mode or 2.1 mode. So if you want to experience the full surround sound, you can switch this to the 5.1 mode. Or if you want just a regular stereo setup, you can switch this to the 2.1 setting. Next, we have the master volume knob to control the volume that's coming out of our sound system. We can also press this button to switch between the different input sources like our HDMI, optical, etc. And we can hold this button down to set our whole system into standby mode. What's also really cool is that we have these two 1/4-inch inputs that we can use to connect a microphone to the sound system, which would make for a great karaoke setup. So hopefully this helped explain all of the different buttons, controls, and inputs on your HTS820. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.